Hello everyone, and welcome back to yet another skin retouching video. So today we will be looking at changing the color of this jacket or a cloth or any clothes. So let's get started. Okay, so there are several methods of changing the clothes, the cloth color, sorry, and we can do this in different methods. You can quick selection with quick selection tool. You can also achieve the same result, but I'm gonna show you the color range method. If you go to select from the menu, and here you can see the focus area. You can also use the focus area, but it's quite lengthy. So if you go for color range, and you can see that the white one is the selected and the black one is deselected. So if I click on this plus drop tool and I select over here the jacket, you can see the part of jackets are in selection. There a bit of the face selection is also in the process, but we will get rid of that with the refined one. So here's you can see that the jacket is almost selected. There are some shades also within the jackets. It doesn't matter, we will refine it, and that's it. If you can, over here I wanted to show you some of fuzziness. Is I have kept it to 6. If I make it till right, you can see that if I increase it, the other parts get selected too. So just find a sweet spot and make it. For me, for this picture, is 6 is good, more than enough. Range is the amount of selection you have made. Localize is the settings which give you an option to select your target area over here, like the jacket is. If I deselect localize, you can see, look, the other parts behind the part of the tree, because it is unfocused and it is brown in color, is also selected. A part of this pole is also selected. So if you have a similar color, like the jacket color is brown and your background or the surrounding colors are also brown, or all of the same color or the same color range, so just make sure the localized color cluster is selected. Okay, by accidentally I click cancel. I'll go again, color range, and plus, click again. Right, you get part of the jacket selected. You can see even the buttons on this jacket is not selected. So this is because the color range, it is selecting the same color, so the shades on the jackets are not selected. Right, if you get this fair enough result, click OK, and you can see that the jacket is selected. We will define this. You can do this with quick selection tool and hold Alt and click on her face, on the neck, which you want to deselect, even on the hands, a bit on her legs, and you can see the part of jacket is selected. So now you can go and click selected mask, and you can see that the mask is on the jacket. Right, increase the radius for fair enough edge points. So I'll go for here 4, which is quite good. Click smart radius, click smart radius. Sorry, my system is taking a quite processing because this is an heavy task. All right, there you go. And even over here you can select the the selections which you want, like show edges. Now you can select a part of the selection which will give you an idea, or the pure selections which you want to make. Right, this is with the second option, this define edge one. Or before achieving that, we need to go and click select and select the area right? If I deselect this show edge, you can see it's selecting the jacket. The jacket is visible, the other deselected parts are fade out. So here you can make a quite refined selection, and in my case I am using, again I am addressing in each of my videos that I am using the vacuum tablet over here. So if you want, you can use it because it is one of the best for selection, for painting, and for various dodge and burn, refining of the portraits. So there you go. And quite bit in time. You can do this, it will take time. I'm doing it a bit fast over here, so just to show you that how the refined selection is made over here, right? Okay, and by mistake I have selected this background on because that was a blur part, so need to deselect it. Just hold on, the process is taking time to select. Okay, hold L and get rid of this selection. My system is getting heavy while each processing. Right, here you go. And then you can select the refine edge one, which works perfect in combination with the selection tool. So here if you select, you can see that it deselect the black area and even the buttons, look, and it will select only that color range for the jacket with the refined selection. Even under the hair also you can see the part of jacket. This is my one of the favorite tool within select mask window, or the select mask option. Here you can see it can select each and every bit of an information, and it's quite intelligent in this case, right? Refine one, you can do this more refined by zooming it, but I just, with the shortage of video timing, I want to make short videos, not the long duration one. So here you go. Okay, and when you are satisfied with the result, scroll down, output to selection, and click OK. Right, here you can see that the jacket is almost selected, not all the parts, but it is almost selected. So what I will do is over here, go for adjustment, layer, and hue and saturation, and here you can see, you can, if you change the hue, you can change the color of the jacket, and you can lower down the saturation to give it a look of more natural, and even you can click the colorize. So here you can see that it looks, this was the original one, and if you change, this is over the top, over the edge of some fancy colors. Here you go. Or if you don't want to do, click colorize and go for the color which you like. I am totally good on this one. The purple jacket looks realistic. So here how you can change the color of any shirt or any part of the clothing in Photoshop. If you like my video, just give me a thumb up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can receive the notification for each video which I upload. Thank you and bye bye.